Hey guys, Andrew here at Terrytown RV, and we're in the world's largest showroom. We've got RVs for days in here. A little bit of everything. We've got some motorhomes, travel trailers, fifth wheels. We've even got small ones. So today I have the honor of showing you a Redwood 4001 LK. Now this is a great floor plan and a great unit for people that are trying to go for longer stays and want to have some of those comforts of home. This thing has a true cook's kitchen, we'll call it. And it has a lot of really nice features, and we'll show you some of those. So getting right into it, up front you see that you have a really nice finished storage, and then also a prep for generator and space for 2 batteries up front. So they also have your 30-pound tanks, one on each side. Something I really like that they're doing here is with their awning they have the Dometic power channel, and what that means is there's all different types of accessories, spotlights, fans, things like that that clip on here. So when this arm comes out, if you need a fan when you're sitting there at your picnic table, that is an option for you. Something else that is really cool, look at this giant storage, and what they have done is actually put in some channels and different hook systems. So if you have things to hang and things to put in certain spaces, you've got that all the way across. And this is finished and heated. You also have easy access to your hydraulic systems. And then look at how nice and tight this is. So you have a stereo outside separately. You also have a vacuum system, plugs, switches. Your in-command system is really easy. That's something that's going to control everything on the coach. So if it ever needs to be worked on or something changed, very easy to get to. And then they also have put in a water system that is easy to trace back if there's ever a problem. You can easily shut off certain areas if you need to. It makes the winterization process a lot easier. So moving out of this, this also has your on-demand hot water. What that means is no more cold showers for the second person in line or even the third. So you've got your great solid steps going up, and let's take a walk right in here. So right when you walk in, first thing is right here to the side is you have a closet, and you also have your in-command system. So this is really cool. This can do everything. So you have your awnings, slides, lights, even your hitch height, things like that. You also have your AquaGo, your on-demand hot water switch there. And then also when you walk in, right through the door, you have a half bath. And that's beautiful with that sink bowl on top. And then you've got some soft lighting. And then as you walk in, you see you have a living room. And this living room is reminiscent of a living room you would have in your house. You have nice social area, even a place that you could put like a coffee table to make it feel a little bit more like home. And then you have your TV and fireplace across. Over here, you have a really nice dining setup with surround windows. Something else is really nice that they're doing is you have your privacy shades and your blackout shades. And you have your heat and massage recliners. And then, like I said, when you come back here, this is really a cook's kitchen. I mean, this thing is beautiful. I really like what they've done with it. You have tons of counter space. You have some good prep space. If you and your significant other, one of you wants to be over here chopping vegetables or getting things ready for a second plate, that's very easy to do here, with tons of great storage just over here on the side. Then, when you walk back here, huge farm-style sink. You even have a water filtration system in this. So if you just want drinking water, very easy to do. Really nice cupboards, very easy to reach. You have a really nice residential style hood. This thing gives it that look of being in a home. And you have a residential style oven too. This is just like cooking in your oven at home. They actually make really nice baking sheets that fit in these perfectly. I know because I've done it. And then you have really good space back here as well. Good prep space. You can do your coffee bar back here. And then again, you've got cupboards and drawers everywhere. Really nice spice cabinet over here. And then you have your residential fridge. Something else that I think is really cool is I love the trash can that pulls out. I just think that's a really cool feature, especially in this area. Like I said, if you're doing prep over here, it's nice to be able to just be flipping vegetable peels right into the trash. So as we walk up to the front, this does have 3 air conditioners. So you're always going to be comfortable whether you're going down to Arizona, Texas, Florida, trying to escape the northern snow. So when you roll in here, you can see they have some nice soft lighting, king size bed, and then you have really nice shelving on both sides. So there's plenty of room for clothes, hats, stuff like that. You have a TV up here, but it gets even better as you roll into here. So in your main suite bathroom, you have your built-in sinks. I really like these countertops. They're really nice, feeling solid. You also have some soft backlighting, and then this shower is amazing. So not only do you get a skylight, but you also have a bench to sit on. And then the best part of the show is this closet. So I can walk in here, I'm a big guy. You do have a place to put a stackable washer and dryer, but you also have tons of hanging space in here. Place to put hats, shoes, and then it goes all around the corner even more. So if you're one that likes to travel and take all of the things that you really like, this is the closet for you. This possibly might be the camper for you. Why don't you come down and check it out or give me a call. My name's Andrew at Terrytown. My number is 616-302-3552. Give me a call, let's talk about it. Thanks.